Kunalo mfana lo aku DDC Padime. I've seen how a lot of people are saying that this boy could be the potential replacement for Irile. He's gonna be the guy who's gonna give you Orlando Pirates le push lena abayidingayo. My biggest worry ngalo mfana lo, and I said this yesterday, is that does Coach Abdeslam Owadu have plans for him? Number one. Number two, will he fit into his structure saga Coach Abdeslam Owadu? Because the structure saga Owadu suhlula uTito. Tito is a very tricky player on a skill. Lomfana Lona is a tricky player on a skill. But Owadu doesn't believe in that kind of football. Owadu funa sahambe se phambili. Owadu funa ukuthi si transition as ateke sokora. He doesn't have time for labantu laba bafuna ukugibela ibhola bashaya amatsamaya nani. And Tina, as the fans, we love it because it's our football, which is why we are excited that Lomfana Lona uyahamba uyojoina i-first team ye-Orlando Pirates. He's even traveled nabo. We are happy ukuthi lo mfana lona could be the replacement akarile, because when Urile came into Orlando Pirates and was introduced to us, beka very exciting because bekathanda ukuthena thatha ama player nan, but we saw it different really under Coach Abdeslam Owadu. Compare Urile from Jose Rivero to now under Abdeslam Owadu. He's been very different. Under Abdeslam Owadu, he was more direct and bega shooter. Under Abdeslam Owadu, he was more effective and more creative, right? So it means lo mfana lona is either gonna have to up igame yakhe if he is to be lento sicanga ukuthi uzoba yeko Orlando Pirates. Lento yamatsamaya nilezokuthi Owadu akanaso isikhathi sayo le ukuthi ogibela ibhola libhampise athi. And remember, lo mfana usuke from ibhola laseKasi DDC ya Orlando Pirates. DDC, he was free. Bampili free role yokuthi adlale the way afuna ukudlala ngakhona, which is why a lot of us enjoyed. But now that he's coming to the PSL, he's competing at the highest level of South African football. PSL like DDC. So now the question is, can this boy stand the test of time? Number one. Number two, is he gonna be lento sicanga ukuthi uzoba yiyo ku PSL? Because we've seen a lot of players come to the PSL hoping ukuthi uSbanibani is gonna be exciting, maqeda lapho umuntu angabi exciting. And I still maintain it's unfair of us fans to expect Lomfana Lorna to live up to the expectation yaka Mfokeng. We shouldn't even compare this boy to Mfokeng. Allow this boy to grow and allow this boy to play ngalendlela le kumele ukuthi ekumele akazi ukuthi adlale ngayo. He has a lot to learn from Coach Abdeslam Owadu. He will grow a great deal, but my biggest concern is Coach Owadu, and I know abantu abaningi bazomangala la. Coach Owadu doesn't believe in development players. Coach Owadu believes in players that he's coached before. That's why hambe ayolanda abo Chabatsane, ayolanda labanchita laba, abo Masindi Nemtsachela from Lapak Marumo Kerens. A coach who believes in young talent would have given Cameron Denson enough time ukuthi adlale. Because Simboni Lukorila against Mamelodi Sundowns, he's shown you what he's capable of. There are games labo ubona khona ukuthi why are you benching this boy? Osimpiwe Slepe only played 2 games all of last season, and udlale the last 2 games of the season. Throughout the season Osimpiwe Slepe bekahlala semastenzini. Coach Abdeslam Owadu doesn't really believe in taking umfana develop osangathi usafuna ukuphekiwa amdlalisa ufuna abantu asebaready Owadu, which is why it's easy to play Apollos for him. Apollos has been ready. It's easy to play abosibelebele ba ready basuka khona ku PSL, and then he believes in players that he used to coach ku previous club yakhe. But lento yokuthi yena uzothatha umfana omncane amuphi chance, I don't think so. Do you think Coach Abdeslam Owadu will give this boy Mpophadi game time? And do you also think ukuthi ukupromotiwa kwalomfana lona to first team level is because of Abdeslam Owadu, or is it the technical team Pirates ama video analyst ababonile ukuthi no, there's a young boy, because we believe in young players asimthathe simuphi chance? I don't know. Yini nizongazisa bafethu lapho ku comment section. Sanibona nonke bafethu. Ubani onke mtumi angiphiki. I don't think wena uzwa mina. As sometimes bafethu, listen to understand, not just to respond atekane. I know Lomfana Lona was instrumental for DDC ukuthi iwine DDC team Pirates win a league. What I'm saying is he gonna fit structure saga Abdeslam Owadu? Uba nomchita lo ugreen. He was very important na lapha ku DDC, mara he didn't make it to the first team. Instead Orlando Pirates bathe siyabonga. He's going to shine elsewhere. Why? Because Coach Abdeslam Owadu has his own philosophy, he has his own way of playing, and he has his own players. It simply means to Coach Abdeslam Owadu, if he doesn't believe in you, you are not going to play. My question is Coach Abdeslam Owadu going to give this boy a chance yokuthi aziveze na? Yiwumbuzo enginawo. Did Coach Abdeslam Owadu allow Simphiwe Slepe to show himself? Umdlale towards the end of the season sesazi ukuthi bafethu iPirates need just 1 point ukuthi bathathe league. Bekasoyenzana uSlepe lapho. Imagine if Slepe played throughout the season. Imagine if Cameron Denson played throughout the season. bekanongena sometimes as a substitute shooter shaya ipala umbone ukuthi le ntwana le wayipha enough game time izodlala. Coach Oadu has a different way of doing things and ibhola lakhe is too fast. Uthanda ibhola le transition. If this boy is a ball carrier, he's in trouble. Utito is a ball carrier. Utito umuntu othanda ukubamba ibhola athatha ama player akhathi agibele nanani. Coach Abdeslam Oadu doesn't really believe in that football. That is what I am saying.